Welcome to Business Training Media's channel. If you're looking to master digital marketing, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the best Google digital marketing certificates to earn in 2026 for beginners and pros, helping you build valuable skills and boost your career. Whether you're starting your career or looking to sharpen your skills, these comprehensive courses will set you on the right path to success. Make sure you watch till the end to discover where you can access all these top-notch digital marketing courses and how they can help you advance your career. Let's start with the most important question: why should you pursue digital marketing? The answer is simple: because it's a career that combines creativity, strategy, and data. It's a field that's not just rewarding in terms of salary, but also in job satisfaction, because every campaign you work on brings something new and exciting. Plus, the demand for skilled digital marketers is skyrocketing, and there's a vast range of job opportunities in industries of all sizes, from small startups to large global corporations. The digital marketing landscape is evolving at a rapid pace, driven by advancements in technology, changing consumer behaviors, and the growing influence of data-driven decision-making. Businesses worldwide are increasingly relying on innovative digital strategies to engage their target audiences, enhance brand visibility, and drive revenue growth in an increasingly competitive marketplace. Did you know that 86% of business leaders believe digital commerce will be the most important route to growth? With over 213,000 open jobs in digital marketing and e-commerce, now is the perfect time to upskill. Google offers some of the best online training resources available today. Their certification programs are designed to give you hands-on experience with the key areas of digital marketing. Let's explore Google's top 7 digital marketing certificates that can help you build expertise in this high-demand industry. Certificate number 1, Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. First on our list is the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. This comprehensive program covers key skills like Google Ads, Google Analytics, social media marketing, and e-commerce strategies. Designed for beginners, this course requires no prior experience and can be completed in under 6 months. You'll gain hands-on experience with tools like Canva, HubSpot, and MailChimp, perfect for landing an entry-level job in digital marketing. Certificate number 2, Google Ads for Beginners. If you're eager to learn the fundamentals of Google Ads and start running successful campaigns, this comprehensive 2-hour tutorial is for you. The Google Ads for Beginners course will teach you how to create successful ad campaigns, conduct keyword research, set bids and budgets, and optimize ad performance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to drive qualified traffic to your website, optimize user engagement, and convert visitors into loyal customers. Certificate number 3, Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Next up, we have the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. While not strictly a digital marketing course, mastering data analytics is crucial for making data-driven marketing decisions. You'll learn to collect, analyze, and interpret data using tools like Google Analytics, spreadsheets, and visualization software. With 483,000 job openings in data analytics, this certificate can significantly boost your career prospects by equipping you with in-demand skills, enhancing your resume, and increasing your chances of securing a high-paying role in the industry. Certificate number 4, Assess for Success. Marketing analytics and measurement marketing is all about measuring performance, and this course will help you do just that by providing you with the tools and techniques to track, analyze, and optimize your marketing efforts for better results. Assess for Success. Marketing analytics and measurement teaches you how to track KPIs, conduct A/B testing, and optimize marketing campaigns using Google Analytics and Google Ads. If you want to become a data-driven marketer, this course is a must, as it will equip you with essential analytics skills, data interpretation techniques, and strategic insights to optimize marketing campaigns and drive business growth. Certificate number 5, Think Outside the Inbox, Email Marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most effective digital marketing channels. Think outside the inbox. Email marketing covers everything from crafting compelling subject lines to automating email workflows. You'll learn how to build and segment email lists effectively, create engaging and personalized email campaigns that resonate with your audience, and analyze campaign performance using key metrics to optimize strategies and maximize ROI. Certificate number 6, Attract and Engage Customers with Digital Marketing. SEO and SEM are critical for online visibility. Attract and engage customers with digital marketing dives into search engine optimization, SEO, search engine marketing, SEM, and display advertising. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to optimize websites for search engines, target the right audience with paid ads, and improve conversion rates. Certificate number 7, Foundations of Digital Marketing and E-commerce. Finally, if you're completely new to digital marketing, the Foundations of Digital Marketing and E-commerce course is the perfect starting point. This course provides a comprehensive overview of digital marketing, including customer engagement, the marketing funnel, and digital commerce fundamentals. These Google certified courses offer valuable skills that can take your digital marketing career to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced professional, there's something here for you. Ready to elevate your digital marketing skills and stay ahead in the competitive landscape? Explore the links in the description to find the perfect course for your goals, gain hands-on experience, and start transforming your career today. That wraps up our list of the best Google digital marketing courses for beginners and experts. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, these courses offer valuable insights and certifications to help you succeed. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more digital marketing tips. Drop a comment below and let us know which certificate course you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.